Next picture. Next picture. My God! Natamugan ka. Ay, manghilak ta day. What's up, fami? I'm back again for another vlog. So, another day, another vlog. So, it means another video for you to watch. So, today, it's actually currently 10:42 p.m. And, of course, graveyard shifter ta. So, regardless if I'm on duty or on my rest day, my body clock still um, stays the same. So it's evening time, but it's my morning time. So come with me for another vlog. And for this vlog, we will going to do, or I am going to react on my old photos. And these photos are, of course, with my family as well. So without further ado, we will be doing reacting to our old photos. So before we actually start, I'm shooting this November 24 at 10 p.m. And based on the latest post for Bagyong Verbena, it will landfall somehow, or the affecting areas will be the coastal areas of Dalagat around 2 a.m. on November 25. So my family's there, my friends, all the Dalagatan, please do stay safe. And to those people nga nag-stay sa near coastal areas, please do evacuate as early as now para sad makapangandam and to stay safe as all. So, let's start. Okay, so for this vlog, I'm sure some of you would, of course, dahil nasa tayo pagka-Jejemon days na nasa tayo mga kayagit days. So first picture is this. Oh my god. The hair. The hair dye. The bangs, right? The bangs is ano lang, but the short hair. Murag history repeat itself. And the bangs is, oy, don't tell me, wala mo nakaagian ng tinga ng bangs pagbata. Kay our parents really do love their kids. I don't know, signature ba na sa mga 90s babies ang naay bangs? Gadiri po jud ko to. So I think for this picture, I was kinder 2. Yeah, kinder 2 ani. Um I my school actually is evangelical school, but right now lahi na yang name sa school. Nakalimot na ko, basta somewhere ni sa Lapas Dalaget. And very ano ni siya nga days nako, kay ako pa man ang child ani kani nga time. And 10 rami kabuo, and our teacher is twins. So among teacher kay twins. And na ako yung funny story ani, murag madugay jud nga vlog. Na ako'y tigkuha before sa kaninga year nako. And then one time be wala ko niya nakuha. Dai 5 p.m. na wala pa ko'y sundo. So end up ang akong teacher ang naghatod nako sa balay. And nagtuo man gud ang katong tigkuha nako nga nakuha ko sa akong papa, which is wala. Kay during that time, of course, napay waiting time, naggamay din, tulo na lang ni, duhan na lang, ako na lang jud usa dahil nga wala ko nakuha. So, yan akong teacher nga, ihatod na lang ko niya, and nashock na akong papa day. Pag abot na ako sa balay, nga, dili di ay to si kuya ang naghatod na ko, which is my teacher. So, that's my story sa kaninga time na ako nga picture. So cute. Charot! Cute. Okay, next picture. Okay, shout out to Pet, Go Weasley, and Go Owen. Dalaget Beach Park ni siya. And as you can see, dayagit kami dahil. Mga taong dagat, wagod may before die. So that's why I really know how to swim kay exposed kay mig tubig. If di migakob, ano mi Kasay Beach Park or in a Dalagat Beach Park na karon. And doon ako limot na ko how old ko ani nga time. But as you can see sa picture, we're so happy, we're so yagit, and it's really giving a childhood memories, right? Okay, next picture. Ganon siya. So cute. Cute kay si JS ni Haday. Actually, this was year way back 2011 and I was 14 years old. And then, akong brother there, kanang nisuling that day, si JS, he was 4 years old back then. So, unsa man nga face, oy, very nonchalant. Nonchalant ka day. Yeah, that was me. We're so cute. Like, very innocent. Right? Okay, next picture. Sorry, Sissy. Lamig kang tempura. I know, fishball. Lamig kang fishball, girl. And, di ba? If ever manimba may lungsod. And, anang juice sa plastic. Oh my God, I miss those days. And that was so cute. Ever since, my God, I really love layer haircut. So, and akong manghod, nami ka siyang kaon day. And as you can see sa hair, waasad siya day nakatakas sa very mubo nga natupi sa parents. And I actually forgot if unsa ni siya nga year. But yeah, we're so cute together. Kumanghod nga walang kaalam-alam. Okay, next picture. Oh, we're so cute. Cute kayo si JS. Right? And I think kani siya, dili gid I think, kani siya nga picture is padung Miog City and sa bus ni siya na capture. And same 2011. I'm so baby girl. Slim ko before when I was a kid. And I think all of us, pero murag ari na ko ni slim sa mga elementary days. Prior, chubby kay ko. As you can see sa first picture, dako ko day. Actually, dako ko before. And, iminap na ako dyan. So, next picture. Wow! We're so cute. Eh! So, wala nga hand gesture ni Kuloy. But yeah, this was way back 2012. And I was 14, si Sarah was 8, si Lujil was 6, and then the twins is 5. So, if you're actually asking to my new followers, ang pag picture sa mo is, of course, descending order. Eldest, second, third, and then the fourth. So, dapat 4 me, but then, since they are twins, automatically maday. So, yeah, those are my siblings. And are so cute. Those were the days. Ako mga tuhuday. Lagong kistanan kay sigligo ug dagat, sigligo ug ako. Next picture. Wow! Ka-pretty! Charot. Tapos pa kaya akong hair. And I was actually wearing a makeup. This was during my high school days na. And so you can see it's a costume. Costume. Na ami-ani event sa school. And I'm actually an active student in terms of extracurricular. Specifically, in terms to dancing. So yeah, I'm so kuan ni kilay dai diri ko ta. Oh my God, Nicole. Kabalo ka before, apil-apil naman jud ko og kanang mga sayaw-sayaw. Ang ako yung makeup artist is my mom. Shout out to my mom there. Hi mother, hi mom she. So yeah, she's very supportive. Basta lang way bayaran na. Because, practicality, 5 baya mi be. So, if na yung mga event na maka-join ko, wherein I can, show up my talent, kung talent, nataybawan gamay in terms, when it comes to dancing. But, mo support yun ako mama basta. Walay bayaranan or nay bayaranan pero dili ana ka dako kay dagan baya ni. Next picture. My God! My God, najud ko eh. Abot yun, minagkaway ani sa akong teacher ay. Dili mo gud ko hilig di mga ngani. I really don't like mga exposure sa mga pageant. So, ko ana dahil ko ana na. But then, I was actually in third year high school. So, I think na siya sa grade 9 karon nga curriculum. And akong teacher, kani siya, intrams ni Day, intramurals. Day representative each section, right? And then, iya kong gi-convince nga ako iyahang ipa-representative sa among section kay because of my height. And I don't know, day kaya jud ko, dili ko. Day, grado, maapi siya sa extracurricular. And then, I've been pleading day nga di lagi jud ko. Ano, walay mahimo. Kay, mao naman. So, ako ni choose akong partner. Sige, okay na lang. Kay, wala ta. Grades, of course. So, nipili ko sa akong partner ani, and then dahil, di lagi jud kibong paso dahil, mura jud ko, gubaklay dahil nga, may tug-as na.
What?
I really don't like this year, dude.
What?
Grabe jud ako ang kanang resentment ani ay. But then, I still got the support from my, family, teacher. So, force na ko ani day. Siya nag-push na ko. So, yeah. I think nakuan ko for the top 5. Naabot lang yun dahil dili ko ganahan na i-recall pa to nga memory kay dili jud siya, it's not really my thing. So, next picture, still in my high school days. Tada! Dahil nag-minorate ang person. Nag-minorate ko, I think I started third year high school na. Kaya dito na nga tayo, murag na i-build nila nga band sa among school. And di ko kalimot, during the, ganing, I don't know, unsa tong event, kanang tanan na ato na sa Dalag at National High School. And then tanang schools, ang bands, mag-parade. Dahil sakit man juday kay ng, kanang boots sa kanang ngani, mga Margaret, inyuhang nasa likod niya ko sa term na dahil. Di siya kay girly ang person dire. Sakit jud kay de murag ambot na lang. So kudos to those girlies nga apil sa mga band kay sakit jud siya. But then it was really a nice experience. Next picture. Tada. Isugag na akong saygod. Isugag na akong sayro. Hi, Sissy. So yeah, I was always a supportive attitude. So this was during their recognition. I don't know if unsa sila nga year ani, sa ilang elementary days. But yeah, daghan ng ribbons ang nakanindot ani nung nila nga year kay if ribbon daghan sila if iing ana na gani. Kami day sa una tagsaon og pin sa mong parents day mo makadagdog guys. So kudos sa mga teachers nga nakahuna-una nga usahon na lang himuon na lang siyang murag kanang garland or sorry himuon na lang siya og isabit na lang dito so ba, right? So next picture, this was year 2019. So Syra still ana siya sa iyang first year high school ani. So still and a supportive ate as always to my siblings. Because as you can see, I'm always there, present for my siblings since I know the feeling na ang parents is dili always maka-attend sa imong mga ganap sa school. So every time I can or I always make time or give time to those events nga gina-joinan sa akong mga siblings because I want them also to know that we are their number one supporters and we're always here for them. So we are their biggest fan. So even dili lang kay recognition sila mga sayo-sayo sad kay my siblings are also part of the dance troupe elementary to high school. So I'm always there as their number one supporter. Next picture, kani siya. Cute kasi si JC. Nag-graduate ni siya sa ilahang grade 6 graduation. So ako ang ning tayo as his parent ani kay ang usa ka twins kay si mama. So yeah, that was us. We're so cute. Next picture. Wow, Teacher Yorn. This was actually during my practicum year, and that was way back 2019. And still, practicum ko sa akong alma mater ng school, which is Kawayan National High School. So, maraming pinagdadaanan dahil di ka nakarealize mo rin yung lisudlan, mo din yung teaching field. Padayon pa bata. Charot. But it was really a nice experience and a nice you know, nindot siya nga sa ba profession. So hands up, kudos to all those teachers out there. Dili jud lalimin yung ginabuhat for your students. You are their second mother, dude. Next picture. Wow! Ladies in black. So this was actually during my ring up ceremony sa Maayo, Argao. And the one nga ning suot sa akong ring is my mom. And they actually said nga before you will get engaged to your significant other for lifetime, may engage sa jud ka sa imong profession. And it's so true. So that's our fit. Our theme is actually black and white. So I decided to wear black. And that's it. This picture is very memorable to me. And that's my 25th birthday, where my father surprises me with a money bouquet. And I was really surprised. Kaya wala ko na na there's actually this surprise. So nagsabot na dahil sila sa akong best friend, sa akong sisters, sa akong parents, nga ingana. And as you can see, dahil ako pakikog na. My God, dako kay day. Wala mag-dinner plate, uy. So, yeah. This picture, this was 2023. And it's our last Christmas together with my papa. And as you can see, dahil gamay ramig handa. But it's a celebration full of love. And at least, naami na gather together. Though akong mama is wala, kay na naman ni siya nga time sa Mindanao, but then nag-video call us at, but yeah, ang kanang mga wang daday wala na pang ilong kay isog kinaday. And yeah, it was really a celebration full of love and memories that we can, among mabalik. And among theme day green and red, tanawa ra ng usada day so jud ka na jud sa kabulig na saging na jud buang na siya wala ko siya red bisag naa good. And yeah, we're just so cute together. Anyways, dili na ta magkuan ka kasi manghilak ta na red eye. For the last picture, this picture right here, this was actually taken year 2024. That time nga nawa mong papa, and nag-photoshoot mi sa Boloon siya. Birthday ni nako, and then since one day raman ang sanay ligas sa birthday nako ug sa twins. So nag-photoshoot mi together, and by the way, 5 mi nga mag-siblings, and yeah. Mao na siya, 3 ka girls, 2 ka boys. And birthday pa namong kuan ni day kay dugay kayo manglihok. My God. But then nairaos din nga photo shoot. So it's a memory that worth looking back. It's a pictures that worth looking back. So to those people right there, please do capture each moment. Kay you'll never know. So that's it, fammies. Those are all the old photos. Just hope that you had fun for this vlog by looking at our old photos. And for this vlog, this is just actually a message to everyone, or like a reminder that in our life, or our life is just really borrowed. So what I can really tell is, please do capture each moment, all the memories, all the events that you have with your family, sa mga moments na birthdays or even mga laag. Please do capture pictures, photos, kay those are only the thing that you can look back into, or that you can skim through your gallery, um, as you go on in life. Okay, we don't know when our time will come because our life is just borrowed. Everyone, good relationships is what makes our life good. So please do build good relationships with your family, with your friends, with your community, and capture each moment. I just hope you had fun. I hope it entertains you. I hope it gives you lessons or anyhow. So for this vlog, thank you so much for watching, families. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be updated sa next vlog na to. Bye-bye!